Hi, if a number is multiplied by itself, we call this one as that number's square. For example, 5 is multiplied by 5 two times. You see that 5. So we take this one as 5 square. Let me give you another example. Let's say 7 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 7. Here, 7 is multiplied by itself three times. You see that 1, 2, and 3. Therefore, this is written as 7 cube. Here, we call this one as base, and this one is the exponent. Let me take another example. Let's say 4 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 4 and multiplied by 4. So here you see how many times 4 is multiplied by itself. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So 4 to the power of 5. Remember, this is called as base, the number which we multiplied, and how many times the number is multiplied, that is the exponent. The same thing is applicable to the variables also. For example, I'm taking, let's say, k multiplied by k multiplied by k. Then you get that k to the power of, you can imagine, you can guess, 1, 2, 3. So this is going to be k cube. Likewise, if I take a multiplied by a times a, this one is a cube. If you take, let's say, x multiplied by x multiplied by x multiplied by x. So here we are multiplying x. How many times? We are multiplying 4 times. So this is x to the power of 4. Remember, whatever the value we take and multiply, this is called as base, and this is called as the exponent. Well, you may get a doubt. When do we get 3a? In this example, a multiplied by a multiplied by a, that is giving us a cube. Then when do we get 3a? Well, it's a good question. Let's say that I have an apple, then another apple, and another apple. If I add these three, what do we get? Look here, apple means we mean to say that it is one apple, right? Here, one apple and one apple. So this is going to be three apples. In the same way, in math, just ignore the spelling. Let's say 1a plus 1a plus 1a, that gives us 3a. Remember, if there is no coefficient, don't get confused. If no number is associated with a variable, you can take 1. That eliminates a lot of confusion. Here 1a plus 1a plus 1a equals to 3a, just like 3 apples. So the conclusion is, if a number is multiplied by itself, then we write this one as base and the exponent. Whereas if a number, my bad, if a variable is added to itself, x plus x, remember no coefficient, you can take 1 here, that eliminates a lot of confusion. This is 2x. That's it. Thank you.